listen, okay? I'm trying to give you 90s Trina, Adina Howard on a trying to be saved scale. Get into it. Baby. Well, long time no see. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mika Lynn, and here we are with another quick wig review, baby. Now, before we get into this, do hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, drop me a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly. So big thank you to KLAIYI Hair. They have been a staple on this channel. Big appreciation for sending out today's units, baby. And but guess what, honey? We are getting into some inches. Hello. If you are interested in any of the specs for this unit, definitely check out the description box down below. It will take you directly to their store, their social media, as well as this 20-inch bust down unit, baby. Ow. Bye bye knots and hello slay. Like what I did there, huh? This is their 7x5 wear and go water wave closure unit. The pre-plucked, pre-bleached 5x knots lace hairline. Okay, hear me out. Hear me out. Okay, I'm gonna keep it a book. I was hoping that this was going to be a little bit longer. These tend to fall a little short on me, especially for the particular style I had in mind. I am going to keep this nice, simple, of course, to the point, baby. I am going to go in with maybe 2, maybe 3 products. If I'm lying, maybe 4. But the goal is 2, okay? So she is definitely full straight out of the pack. She is already getting me seasick, baby. Get into these waves. Get into it.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we can run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your ribcage. Let me know we on the same page. Hit me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment.
Okay, so I think you can kind of see where I'm going with this, right? We ain't through yet, sis. So I'm gonna see if I can actually gather this into kind of like a loose, kind of like a high curly bun type of situation. Now I do have some of the hair pulled out at the bottom just to cover the bottom of this wig. So I'm just gonna pull all of this up We'll adjust the camera just a little bit so you can kind of see this going on. I'm going to gather all of this and go one loop, and just to kind of get an idea. You could definitely do like a ponytail, you know, a nice little messy ponytail, but we're not going to do that. We're actually going to make a little bun, and I'm going to see if I can actually pin this, maybe 2 bobby pins. Again, I don't want anything like super neat on this, just kind of like a messy, out of my face type of look. Yeah, check me out with the updo, girl. Look at you. You know, I am really digging this. This is hella cute or whatever. Now, there are a couple of things to note about this particular unit, and I kind of feel like I'm preaching to a choir here when it comes to these type of units. I do wish we had more coverage on the side. As much as I love the style, it does exclude my ladies who are dealing with alopecia or hair loss, or if you're going through chemotherapy, or maybe you just don't have any edges, then you are going to have to figure out how to make this side work for you. Now, I do have some hair on the sides, and this is my leave out. This right here was part of the tendrils or the bangs in the front, and I actually had too much on this side, so I just took this and pulled it back, and that actually helps cover up the track that's right here. You really can't see it because I did cover it with mascara. However, it is there, okay? So if somebody's all up in your head and they trying to talk to management, if you know what I'm saying, then of course they gonna see it, right? And I was able to cover it on this side as well. No big deal. Now, the reason I left out some hair in the back, because this hair is not meant as a 360 type of style. There are tracks that you will see in the back. So I did take out a couple of pieces of hair and I cut it just so I could cover the back and you wouldn't be able to see it. I did go in with the Even New York Curl and Twist Foaming Lotion, and it's supposed to condition and detangle the hair, but unfortunately I do feel that with this texture it may be a little bit on the drying side. You know, it might be a little crunchy, okay? So you might want to pick something a little bit more moisturizing. So I did go in with my tried and true Even Lace Tint Spray for the hairline, just to get it to blend with my skin tone. However, you can kind of see, okay, a little tinge of lace, okay? Don't come for me. Check the channel. Check my resume. Naturally, I've said it before on this channel, I like to keep it more on the lighter side than going too dark, and then it's clockable, and then it looks 2 shades darker than my forehead, and then we got a hot mess, and I ain't trying to go that route. So I did go through with the Juvia's Place Bronze palette. All of this stuff is linked in my Amazon storefront if you are interested in checking out the products that I do use, and that pretty much brought the color back to life. Getting to the fact that you can't even really clock my leave out, baby. It blends right into this unit. Now, tried and true El Cheapo hack, baby, okay? Because I ain't got time to be buying all these products on Amazon and they come in and then they just taking up space in my house, alright? Go to Dollar General and stock up on the mascaras. Hello, okay? It came through in a clutch and I just used it right on the sides just to kind of disguise the lace that was showing, and that was pretty much it. Me personally, I do feel like this wig cap fit is more on the small side, so if you do have a larger head circumference, I'm measuring 24 inches, you might want to go a size up, if you get my drift. So yeah, big thank you to KLAIYI Hair for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. If you are interested in checking out their information, I will have a direct link to their store as well as a direct link to this unit down below. Definitely appreciate all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell. Drop your girl a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video, baby, so we can all slay accordingly. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. I know somewhere that we could go to crash in, and we